Welcome back, traders. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, today we're looking at Byrdi for MetaTrader 5, developed by William Brandon Autry from United States. Currently priced at around approximately $998, and the developer William calls it a distributed trading network that coordinates a portfolio across multiple terminals. Now, if you didn't understand what that means, means that this is not your regular EA and it does not place trade but connects separate Meta 5 terminals into a coordinated trading mesh. It's a distributed trading network, as you see. But let's walk through what the page actually says powers this thing. Now, most EAs, according to the developer, only see one terminal and one set of positions, but Byrdi is built so separate MetaTrader 5 terminals can talk to each other. Now, each one stays in its own node with its own account, broker, market, strategies, AI model, and risk setting, but they share information so the wider network has awareness. The page says the mesh can coordinate execution, limit duplicated exposure, distribute opportunities between eligible nodes, and can handle failover if one node goes offline. Now, one node can run as a complete system on its own if you're worried, and multiple nodes can work as a coordinated network. Now, for entries, there are two options. AI entry uses a selected AI model that evaluates market structure, price behavior, life context, news, and the node's own conditions before deciding. The EA core is the mechanical side that has deterministic multi-pattern reversal logic that evaluates the same setups consistently. Now, if you go through the page, you can see the public mesh performance, where it is operating across three publicly tracked real money nodes, and these are the results. Now, if you're looking for the publicly tracked accounts that are over here, let's open it. Now, these are the other published products by the same developer. And if we go down, we can see Friday Mesh Node 2 using Grok, Node 1 using DeepSeek. I can see 16% growth and 13% growth over 12 weeks, 55 trades, 83% win, 3.34 profit factor. And for Node 2, we have 16%, 14 weeks over 14 weeks, taking more trades, 97, less wins at 71, and the 1.56 profit factor. However, its growth is higher than Node 1. And that's it. On the risk side, the page lists control across 5 layers: individual, trade, symbol exposure, currency exposure, the node account, and the complete mesh. Meanwhile, available tools include daily loss limits, drawdown ceilings, account equity stops, positions limits, symbol and currency exposure caps, node capacity, and prop firm oriented profiles. Now that's it. If you're wondering what you can work on, let's go down and I'll show you that. You can see more details on the ID. It just say it works on MetaTrader 5, like I said. It works on Forex, gold, metals, indices, crypto, oil, and other broker supported symbols, so you don't have to worry about restriction. You can also work on any time frame. You can see the entry I mentioned earlier and the management. Now, compared to what a lot of sellers put up, the transparency on the full mesh is better than average, but the absolute numbers are still small. Few larger losers and the percentage moves around quickly. The developer does flag that Sacred Phi can increase exposure, floating drawdown margin usage, and holding time when price moves against the first entry. And that is important to keep in mind. And honestly, the thing is, this is still a young system, published 2026 May. The architecture tries to solve a real problem multi-EA users run into, which is correlated risk across accounts. But mesh awareness doesn't automatically create diversification if the nodes end up pointing the same way on correlated pairs or assets. Broker conditions, internet stability, and how the AI models behave over time will still matter. Now, if you're wondering, is this for me? Trader, it might be if you're a trader who is comfortable running more than one terminal or account, who wants shared exposure awareness, and are willing to configure the risk layers carefully. People who will start with single entry or adaptive and keep scaling limited, or bulk firm users who lock the profiles down tight can also consider it. But it's not a simple set and forget one chat robot, and the price plus AI costs reflect that. If you are looking at it, treat the public mesh numbers as early live data, not as expected future performance. Test thoroughly on demo first and only risk capital you can afford to lose. That's a breakdown on Friday. If this was useful, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment with the next EA you want reviewed next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot with the indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.